So I have like 3 curtains here, and I put hole in between all of them, so that the curtain is an opaque object. When I put the light like this, it cannot pass through it. You are not seeing the light in the other side. But if I put it here like this, you see, it's passing through it because of the hole. So that's why I put the hole in between, so that the light can pass between these 3 curtains. So I'm more about explaining about this one, the rectilinear propagation of light. This one is going to be my screen, and this one are going to be my object. So when explaining about rectilinear propagation of light, there are 2 things you must put in this one. You must consider first. So number 1 is these 3 objects must be in line. Talking about these 3 objects being in line, I was talking about like these objects must be in line like this. So like if the objects are not in a straight line, if this object is opaque, then the light cannot pass through it. And these 3 objects must be opaque for you to know that rectilinear propagation of light only travels in a straight line. So if I point this light like this, so you see,
I will see.
Yes.
You see, it's on the screen there. You are seeing the light on the screen there. So this is showing us that rectilinear propagation of light is true. And this
Clap for him.
Thank you.
So, and also, like for example, if you do this object like this, so, no, even if you
What do you say?
this object,
What do you say? What is your question?
still now, if you remove this object, these two objects, they are in a straight line, and we said light can travel in a straight line. For example, are you not seeing the same thing?
Yeah,
you are seeing the same thing.
Yeah.
For example, also, if you remove this one also, but these 2, they are in a straight line, you are going to see the same thing again.
even a symbol.
Even if it is symbol, you will see the same thing. You will see, but you will see the light will be straight out. You understand? But this one, we said this one is an opaque object. Like if you put it like this, light cannot pass. This object will cast shadow on this one. So it will show that light can never bend. It can never bend. So it will pass.
It is only possible for light to pass through a straight line. So having been that this curtain, the one in the middle, was not in the same line with the 2 of them, if you happen to on your light, you will not see the rays of light on the screen. All because that they are not in straight line. So it has to be in straight line accordingly. So that when you on your light, you will see the screen there to show that the rectilinear propagation of light is taking place.
Thank you. Good. Oh man, yes. Yes. Yes.